Welcome to session number 35 of the Word Power Made Easy. Now we are going to discuss about the words which are related to flattering the friends. But these words are the origin words or the root words, and from the root words we can see how many new words we can make. For example, how to look. So in Latin, the specto means to look. So from this spectacle means glass. Spectator means a person who is watching. Inspect means to examine. Retrospect means to see back. Prospect to see forward. In Latin, work speak, to be seen. So conspicuous means easily seen. Perspicacious means keen-minded. Now here CIOUS and here CUOUS. So perspicacious, it is also means keen-minded. So a perspicacious person is keen-minded, mentally sharp and acute. Per means through. Here per means through. Etymologically, per looking through matter keenly and intelligently. So perspicacity means to look through intelligently. Perspicacity. Perspicacity is a synonym of acumen. So sometimes we say business acumen. It means understanding the business nicely, thoroughly. So perspicacity means understanding something thoroughly. Acu, ACO, acu means sharpen. So acu means sharpen. So you can say acute. It means sharp. So there are words like acute pain, sharp pain, acute attack, sharp attack, acupunctures, insertions of sharp needle into a body. So it is known as acupuncture. Acute means mind or thinking. So acupunctures means sharpen and punctures means point. There are certain words we can make out of it when you punctuate the sentence. When lightning punctuate the storm. Punctuate means it's create little bit of obstacles. A pause. When silence is punctuated by the wailing of police siren. Punctuated means pause or disturb or obstacles. If you are punctual, you are right on the point of time. So that is known as punctuality. Punctuous, you are exact, perfect, careful to observe certain procedure. So punctuous. Punctiousness. So now this word pungent. Pungent means pungo, means pierce sharply. So pungent smell means very sharp smell. Pungent taste, very very sharp taste. Pungent wit, sharply pierce one's sense of humor. Adjective of pungent is pungensious. So some more looking. Perspicacious should not be confused with perspicuous. Now here CIOUS and here CUOUS. So CIOUS means sharp, smart, and a person easily understand. So perspicacious. Remember OUS. Perspicacious. And perspicacious. Perspicuous. Here CA and here CU. CA, CIOUS and CUOUS. When CUOUS means easily understood from one look, or somebody sees only one side of the coin. So that is simple. Perspicuous. CUOUS means something simple, lucid, understandable. And here perspicacious. Perspicacious means sharp, smart. So anything is spectacular means it is worth looking at. spectator, one who looks at what is happening. Retrospect means backward looking. Retro means backward. Prospects means forward looking. So retro means backward and prospect, so pro means forward, retro means backward. Prospective means something is going to happen in future. You are prospective mother-in-law, prospective bride. Circumspect, circum means to look around. Spacious means something look good but actually not. A spacious argument should plausible, but in reality is based on error or an untruth. So noun is spaciousness. Now here prefix, root and suffix are given and you have to find out the English word. Speco means to look. So perspicacious, perspicacious. Per, perspicacious. ACO, sharpen means acumen or you can say acute. Punctus means point, so you can say pungent. ATE, so ATE, that is a verb, so animate. AL, so adjective suffix, when you add AL it is revival. Pungo, pungo means pierce sharply, so pungent. ENT is an adjective suffix, so pungent. ENCY, emergency, ENCY. NESS, if you add S suffix, then spaciousness, vividness. IDY, it is a noun suffix. It means you add ITY at the end of any word, then it becomes a noun. So punctuality, ITY. Retro means backward and pro means forward. So retrospect. Pro means forward and retro means backward. So prospect. Intro, introduction or interurban, or you can say introspection. Introspection. Introduction or introspection. IVE, circumspective, IVE. Circumspective means to look around, look everywhere, be cautious. Circum means around, so circumspect. Now here is a matching and you have to match the correct description of the spelling. Perspicacious, now you see CACIOUS. Whenever CACIOUS is coming, it means something very bright, intelligent and logical, something very brilliant. So the correct meaning of it is keen-minded, very sharp mind. Acumen, acumen means sharpness of mind of thinking. Number 3, acupuncture. Acupuncture means medical insertions of needle. Punctitious means extremely careful, exact or proper in procedure. Punctitious. Pungent, pungent means sharp, spicy and piercing. Perspicuous, now here CUOUS means somebody look at only one side and it is easy to understand and it is clear and lucid and simple. So clear, easy to understand. Retrospect, retro means looking backward. So 7, a backward look. Prospect means looking forward. So forward look. Introspective, introspective. Introspective means looking inside or examining, analyzing oneself. And circumspect, circumspect means careful. You look everywhere around, watchful, very cautious, looking around. So circumspect. Here is a word and there is a description. You have to match with the description with the word. So let's say acute. Acute means sharp, sudden and keen-minded. Acuity. Acuity means keenness of mind, thinking or intellect. Punctuate. Punctuate means interrupt sharply or suddenly. Puncture. Puncture means to make hole. So pierce or make a hole. Pungence or pungency means sharpness or spiciness of taste or smell. Perspicuity. Now here CUITY means looking at one side, simple, sharp, lucid. So that is the meaning. So 6, clarity, lucidity, ability to understand, easily understood. So perspicuity. Prospective means in future describing that which or one who can be looked forward to. Prospective. Introspective. Introspective means tending to examine and to think about one's motive and feelings. So one who is looking inward. Circumspections, who is looking everywhere around. So careful, watchful and cautious. Spacious. 10. Spacious means sounding plausible or looking right but actually false and untrue. So that is known as spacious. Now here the two words are given and you have to decide whether they are same or opposite. Perspicacious. Perspicacious and dull mind. Perspicacious means sharp mind. So this is opposite. Acumen. Acumen means understanding and stupidity means not understanding. So this is opposite. Acute and sharp, these are same. Acuity or perspicacity. Perspicacity, it is same because acuity means sharp and perspicacity means also sharp. Punctilious means very exact and casual is not exact, so opposite. Pungent means very sharp and this is dull, so these are opposite. Perspicuous and clear, they are same. Retrospect. Retro means to look for backward, so backward look. Prospect means to look forward or expectation, it means look forward. Introspective means to look inside and extroverted means to look outside, so opposite. Prospective. Prospective means something is going to happen in future and in past, so they are opposite. Circumspect. Circumspect means when you are looking everywhere. So careless means you are not looking anywhere. Spacious. Spacious means it looks true, but here it is not true actually, it is false. So opposite. Here is a description, some words are given and you have to find out the exact word in English. Plausible but false, incorrect. So it looks correct but it is not correct. So it is known as spacious. SPECIOUS. Spiciness, sharpness, piercing quality. Pungence, PUNGENCE. Clear, easily understood. So PERSPICUOUS. CACIOUS is also there, but CUOUS means something simple and lucid and understandable, and CACIOUS means keen-minded. Sharpness of mind, acumen. Care and caution and wariness. Circumspection, CUMSPECTION. Circumspection means looking around, looking everywhere. Piercing of the skin with needle, so acupuncture. ACUPUNCTURE. Trending to examine one's motive, looking inward, so introspective. INTROSPECTIVE. Exact in the observations of proper procedure. Punctilious, PUNCTI, punctilious, LIOUS. To pierce and make a small hole means puncture, PUNCTURE. A backward look or view, retrospect. Retro means to look backward. So RETROSPECT, retrospect. Here there are some description and you have to find out the exact meaning. Keenness of mind. Perspicacity means keenness of mind. Sharp, sudden and keen-minded, acute. Interrupt suddenly, punctuate, punctuate. Spicy, piercing in taste, smell, beat, etc. Pungent, pungent. Clarity, clearness, or style or language. Perspicuity. Keen-minded and perspective. CACIOUS. Perspicacious. PERSPICACIOUS means keen-minded. We look forward, so prospect. PROSPECT. Retrospect means to look backward. Act or process of looking inward. So INTROSPECTION. Introspection. Careful looking around, conscious and wary. Circumspect. CIRCUMSPECT. Anticipating, look forward. So PROSPECTIV. Prospective. The opposite of prospective is retrospective. So here we are ending the session number 35. I am going to put the PDF file in the description box. You can download the PDF file and do the practice on the PDF file itself to master the vocabulary section. Thank you very much. See you again in session number 36. Till then, bye bye.